We've got breaking news coming in. The Tibetans are trying to crash into Hyderabad House. These are live images from there. You're seeing these images here on headlines today. Tibetan protesters now very close to Hyderabad House. In fact, this is the gate of Hyderabad House. Javed, can you hear me, Javed?
I'm a Tibetan student.
Let's go to Javed live.
Tibet is fine. Everyone is happy in Tibet. In Minister, where are the cells? Where are the cells operating in Tibet? There have been more than 131 cells demolition. Where are they killing themselves? If they are happy, Tibet has been acting as a buffer between India and China. There was a time when people used to light a candle for world peace.
What do you...
Tibet have to light themselves.
Okay, why are you demonstrating here? What do you hope to achieve?
We want basic human rights in Tibet. I'm just giving it to you. We want basic human rights in Tibet.
So you can see this young, agitated Tibetan demonstrator. They're crying. They're weeping. They're crying. They're weeping.
The brothers and sisters are dying. Modi, help us. We don't have freedom. Where is UN? No, they are not helping us. Look at us. Look at us. We are refugees in India in more than 50 years.
So there was this young lady crying. She says, Mr. Modi, we want you to help us. Our people are being tortured. Our people are being denied basic human rights. Their basic human rights in Tibet. Imploring the Indian Prime Minister to take up their case and to do justice to the aspirations of the people of Tibet.
You hear me?
There are about 24 of these demonstrators. They're staging a sit-in now in the small walkway between Hyderabad House and the main road. They've been carried out by the police. The police are asking us to move out.
I just want, for our camera, I think they're doing that now, to be taken closer to where the protesters are sitting. This couldn't have happened just by chance. We had Ashok Mehta say India must also now ensure that some protesters are allowed to make their voice heard. KC Singh, was this deliberate on the part of India to send a message to Beijing that you've gone and intruded into Indian soil? We will not take that lying down. Here's your weak spot.
We've never seen them come that close to Hyderabad House in the past. They used to be around the Chinese embassy. Yes, If the police wanted to keep them away, they would have had barricades all the way down Ashok Road. There's no way they could have intruded. So there is some degree of some relaxation allowed to them. Some
message? Javed, do you hear me?
Yes.
Javed, do you hear me?
They're crying, they're weeping.
And for her to continue to give a statement for so long without some policeman pulling her down, certainly this is a counter message.
Javed, do you hear us? Javed, describe to our viewers what you're seeing. First, also just get your camera person to take the camera off the tripod, take it closer to where the protesters are sitting, and give us live commentary of what you're seeing around you, Javed. Okay, there are jammers there at Hyderabad House. I know that for a fact. I'm just going to establish that contact. I can see Javed. We're going to have him with us in a moment. Javed, do you hear us?
Yes, I can, Rahul.
Okay, Javed, get the camera off the tripod. Get your camera person to go closer to the protesters and describe to our viewers what you're seeing around you. Speak to some of these protesters. You're live on TV, Javed.
Demonstrator.
You don't need the words. I think the picture speaks for itself.
We want Prime Minister Modi. You can hear them demonstrating. They're staging a sit-in. They're carrying placards that says Jinping, end occupation, free Tibet. They are these young, there are about 24 of them, not more than 24, but most of them young kids, all of them demonstrating, some of them crying. They want Prime Minister Modi to intervene on their behalf and to take their case up. They are alleging all kinds of atrocities and human rights violations against their people, against their relatives, near and dear ones in Tibet. And as you can see, there's this shoes. The Delhi police is trying to push them into a corner. These girls are weeping. They're desperate. The scenes speak for themselves, Rahul.
Javed, try and put your mic to these protesters. Let's see if we can speak to some of them, Javed.
Rahul, the Delhi police has pushed us out. I'll try and get one of them to speak again.